Let's dive into 3 reasons why breakfast is vital for your physical health. Reason number 1, it helps boost your metabolism. After sleeping all night, your metabolism has slowed down, which means you're not burning many calories. Skipping breakfast means you're starting the day at a slower pace physically. Once your metabolism wakes up, you may find yourself too hungry to make wise choices for lunch. Starting to eat later in the day can also mean that your body won't have enough time before you go back to bed to absorb the nutrients it needs to stay healthy. So fuel your body for the day and kickstart that metabolism to burn more calories throughout the day. Reason number 2, breakfast increases your energy and productivity for the day. Your body needs fats and carbs as energy sources. Providing these nutrients in the morning means your body will have the energy it needs to get through your daily tasks. Reason number 3, breakfast is a complete mood boost. Your ability to handle stress and tasks are heightened when your body has the nutrients it needs to keep you focused and alert. Now, we understand breakfast can be a difficult meal to get in due to time constraints or stresses that come paired with every morning. To combat this, we provide breakfast fully prepared and ready to eat the second you wake up. This allows you to attack your day with the energy and focus you need.